everyone, this is Demi Friends Mendez and it's our third month of doing videos for the high school level. For this month, we are assigned to a new topic and it's all about the phases of matter. But before anything else, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So what is matter? Matter, as we all know, everything we see all around us is all matter. And matter is made up of molecules. So matter is a material substance that constitutes the observable universe and together with energy forms the basis of all objective phenomena. So there are four states of matter or phases of matter. So these are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. The first phase of matter is solid. Solid is composed of tightly packed particles. A solid will retain its shape. The particles are not free to move around. A solid is a form of matter that has a defined shape and volume. Atoms and molecules in most solids are packed together more closely than in the other states of matter. Unlike particles in other states of matter, atoms and molecules in a solid often assume regular arrangement. So solid keep their shape, can be cut. When heated, they turn to liquid. Molecules are close together. These are an examples of solids, including brick, coin, iron bar, banana, rock, sand, glass, aluminum foil, ice, and wood. The atoms or molecules of matter in the solid state are generally compressed as tightly as the repulsive forces among them will allow. Some solids called crystalline solids tend to fracture along defined surfaces that have a characteristic shape depending on the arrangement of and the forces among the atoms or the molecules in the sample. The second phase of matter is liquid. A liquid is a state of matter that has a defined volume but can change shape. Liquids have the ability to flow and assume the shape of their container. This is because there is enough space between particles that they can slide past each other. A liquid is a nearly incompressible fluid that conforms the shape of its container but retains a constant volume independent of pressure. As such, it is one of the four fundamental states of matter and is the only state with a definite volume but no fixed shape. A liquid do not keep their shape, will take the shape of the container, will turn to gas when heated, will turn to solid when cold. Molecules are loosely packed. These are an examples of liquids, including blood, honey, wine, water, mercury, oil, milk, acetone, alcohol, and coffee. The liquid state of matter is an intermediate phase between solid and gas, taking on the shape of the container but not changing in volume. The limited amount of space between particles means that liquids have only very limited compressibility. Liquids are almost incompressible. In liquids, molecules are pretty close to each other. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquids flow from higher to lower level. Liquids have their boiling points above room temperature under normal conditions.
Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Gases have lower density than other states of matter, such as solids and liquids. There is a great deal of empty space between particles, which have a lot of kinetic energy, so it can expand to fill any size or shape of container. Particles in gases are widely separated compared to those in liquids and solids. The particles exert more force on the interior volume of the container. Examples of gases are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, water vapor, helium, and neon. The remarkable feature of gases is that they appear to have no structures at all, and their properties depend on the volume of a container but not in its shape. Plasma. Like a gas, plasma has no defined shape or volume. It can expand to fill a container. However, the particles in plasma are ionized or carry an electric charge and very widely separated from each other. Plasma is superheated matter, so hot that electrons are ripped away from the atoms forming an ionized gas. It comprises over 99% of the visible universe. In the night sky, plasma glows in the form of stars, nebulas, and even the auroras that sometimes ripple above the north and south poles. Examples of plasma are lightning, neon sign, Earth's ionosphere, sun's corona, aurora, static electricity, St. Elmo's fire, stars, nebula, and rocket exhaust. Because so much of the universe is made of plasma, its behavior and properties are of intense interest to scientists in many disciplines. Importantly, at the temperatures required for the goal of practical fusion energy, all matter is in the form of plasma. Plasma is a state of matter that is often thought of as a subset of gases, but the two states behave very differently.